This is a proper carpentry tool. It's known as a scribe. On this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. I'm going to do a little demo on this wooden paneling below, and then I'm going to put it into use on a proper job where I'm building a wardrobe. This end piece here is a pencil. So whenever I rub that along something to show you, it will leave a pencil mark, as you can see. This is adjustable, so I can set the gap there between this and this to whatever I want. So let's say, for example, I want to trim this panel down by 2 centimeters. So I will set my scribe, let's just say that's 2 centimeters. So I set that to the amount that I want to trim off the panel. And then I put the back edge onto the wall and draw the pencil mark onto the panel. As you see, the back edge forces the pencil to follow the shape of the wall. So you'll see the pencil mark is wider at the ends and smaller in the middle because I've got a gap in the middle there, which I've done intentionally just to show you. So when I cut along this line, this panel will then go 2 centimeters back to the correct depth, but it will also have a slight bend in the back cut, which will meet the shape of the wall. That's called scribing. I'm basically cutting the panel to meet the shape of the wall, so we don't have big gaps like that. So that is the scribe. Really good tool for this kind of work. If you want to do this kind of work yourself and want to do a good job of it, get yourself a scribe. Everything I've just showed you, I am now going to use on a job. I'm building a wardrobe here, and I'm going to use this scribe to mark up the height and depth of the side panel. Like I showed you, set the scribe to the depth that you want to take off the panel. Mark the base by running the bottom of the scribe along the floor. And do the same for the side, running the back edge of the scribe along the wall, as you see there. This gives you the perfect pencil line for you to cut along with your jigsaw. Then do exactly that. Get it cut, get the back edge cut, get the bottom cut, and try and follow the pencil lines as closely as you can. So long as you had the panel perfectly level when you use the scribe, then after the scribe has been cut, it should be perfectly level as well. Quite nice and tight to the floor, as you'd expect. Done a really nice scribe on the back edge where it meets the wall. This is going to look perfect once it's painted. Skip forward in time a little bit. We've applied a bead of caulk between the panel and the wall and then painted 2 coats of paint over it so far. More paint needed, but it's already looking seamless. Looks pretty good. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hopefully you've learned a few things about scribing and the benefits of it. Maybe you're going to go and put it into practice yourself. If you do, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments. Also, if you have learned something, give us a thumbs up, let me know. And then finally, please subscribe. We're trying to get the channel monetized. At the minute, we're doing it for the love. You know, I do enjoy making the videos anyway, but it would be nice to get paid for them as well. And the subscribe goes a long way with that. Plus, you get to see loads more videos in the future as well. So anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.